Hey Deja, someone said that on TD you can choose to sell options when stock price reaches X, right?
Yeah, somebody said that in chat. Yep. Not sure how though.
Blink looks like it's about to do like a bulldog in a 15 minute.
Yeah. A giraffe. Yeah.
Does anyone know how to do that? Kiff? Any of the TD guys?
Say that
Okay.
again.
Sell option when stock price reaches X.
Isn't that
Yeah,
a
discretionary orders.
discretionary? Okay.
I don't even see the fucking where that's at, dude. So just create closing order. And then how do you change it to discretionary? I don't even see that. I see market, limit, stop, stop limit, trail stop, trail stop limit.
Can't you do stop limit for that?
Yeah, but it's gonna go off of
No, that's
option
option.
pricing,
Yep.
not off of
Oh,
stock price.
yeah.
He's doing an underlying trigger.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
He has
There's a way
top
to do
doji
that,
on the
but
1 hour on resistance. Be careful in short-term contracts. Hey, guys.
no. Don't get off my keyboard. You're not a fucking cat.
Ticks are negative right now on ES.
You have top dojis on the 1 hour. I'd be a little careful. This is that same level it keeps failing too.
NASDAQ is still positive. ES just went a little negative.
What'd you say, C's?
The ticks on NASDAQ are still positive. On ES, they went a little negative within the last 5 minutes.
What time frame are you looking at, C's?
5 minute.
Putting in a bear div. 5 minute. Yeah, Russell's up 2% today. Russell made another all-time high today. Jeez.
Tractor pulled back hard, dude. What the fuck?
Yeah, it's failing the VWAPs of previous 2 months. You're still putting in the inverse head and shoulders. You're just failing the neckline right now.
The neck beard.
Yep.
The neck beard. Comb that shit out, man.
Dude, eBay. I'm not even gonna jinx it, but just look at it.
That is one crazy freaking candle.
That's huge for eBay.
Think that might be a break.
Almost
Yeah, I think it's a breakout, isn't it?
Almost 5% today. 4.8.
I couldn't find any news either.
The breakout on eBay is right here. Right where it's at right now. 51.93 was the previous high. It's going, well, where's the gap? 52.82-ish.
Rocket is putting in a really big flat top. Could be like a cup and handle.
52.38 is the gap on eBay.
Here's that short-term pullback I called out on NLS. Still holding that trend though, I think. Yeah, trend is holding. Needs to hold here. It's going to start to sell off.
Yeah, eBay is now officially in the gap.
Apple is way outside its monthly VWAP. Very extended. This bull div on Facebook looks really good.
Peladon.
I knew you'd like that, C's, you dirty.
Wow. NQs is really pushing. ES is back above now. Ticks. It was down just a little
Look at
bit.
the 15-minute ES. Looks like it's ready to blow its lid.
Yeah, 1 hour's popping now. That doji is broken now. The little top doji, almost. About to break.
With that 1 hour, it's a 1 hour PIV and auto SR.
You annihilated every VWAP that was in your way.
Good.
ES just hit. Oh wow. It just hit its highest ticks for today.
Dude, fucking PLTR is literally the only fucking eyesore on my shit right now. It seriously hasn't moved since I went to sleep. Look at it. It's literally went sideways the past fucking
Take a
3 hours.
If you take a volume profile from the start of December, this month is like a textbook example of a balanced profile. The only part of the profile that's not right is the resistance that we're coming into right now. It's imbalanced.
On what?
If you take a volume profile in ES, start of December to now, textbook balanced profile except for the imbalance around 3690.
Netflix is above 520.
Everything else is textbook.
Deja, what do I do with PLTR?
Is it below 26?
Pump it.
I mean, that guy's been getting the phone call a lot lately. Saying, you guys fucking speak into existence.
The 15-minute PLTR looks like a double bottom.
26 is just that line in the sand, man. You're holding 26, so you're strong for now. Strong like bull.
15-minute.
You're putting in a massive, exaggerated bull div on the 15-minute. You're sitting right on the December VWAP.
Yeah,
You need to
I see that.
You need to hold this level. If it doesn't hold here, it's going to fill the gap at 23. Has to get above like 28 to look good. Monthly open.
Spotify looks like it may, go up from here.
Spotify's not bad. Chegg is just disgusting. You guys held that Chegg trade all the way through. Your target's basically hit. Whoever was asking about lumber liquidators earlier, it's still doing pretty good. Keep an eye on target here. Target's starting to shift its momentum. Target looks really good back above the monthly VWAP, like 174, 175. You can see the momentum shifting on target. The bulls are trying to hop in. DraftKings is also starting to perk up a little bit.
Boeing might be putting in a falling wedge here.
What is?
Boeing.
Yeah, Calvin liked Boeing. He's in Boeing. Boeing is also trying to shift its momentum. You're not back above that VWAP though. Momentum shifting on the 1 hour, 4 hour, not yet. Daily is actually looking pretty bearish on momentum. 30 minutes shifted. 50 minutes bullish. Big bull div came in on the 50-minute.
Deja, look at Sono. Bobo called it out.
Don't know, so let me take a look. Oh, it's on fire, yeah. That Mara that you were calling out, Johnny, it's got a lot of calls today, 52,000.
Yeah, I figured since crypto's going stupid right now, I was just like, I just have to hop in.
Yeah, Sonos is, there must be news, ripping on news.
A lot of SPY puts coming in right now.
Hey, Tolga, when we check out BIMAS,
Oh, come on, Luke. What the fuck you doing?
doesn't look to be doing much, just in a massive distribution.
Look.
You're right at the top of a distribution. Too good. Pivots here. Sitting right on a daily pivot. If you hold 71 pivot, you could go to the 73 pivot. You already tried to, though, and it failed. Long term, if the weekly stays above 66.40, that's a weekly pivot. That should be okay. 73.85 would be your breakout level. Putting in like an ascending triangle almost.
We cleared that 4-hour pivot on ES strong, like crushed right through it. Ton of SPY puts coming in right now.
Probably people just trying to hedge.
Well,
Nothing big. Nothing big, like, you know, like 28 through like 50K out of the money puts. Like nothing to take notice to, I guess.
I mean, this
The
is that
opening,
resistance level.
the opening orders on the buy side are like way more bullish compared to the, you know, the put flow.
I just hopped into Boeing January 15th, $300 strike.
Oh my god, I just called Ava direct.
I thought you went through main gear time.
No, I went with Ava. But it's still gonna be like another month until my computer gets here.
And that's not even for sure, right? They
They're
don't know when they're getting their cards, right?
They're anticipating the GPUs to arrive by the end of December and the CPU to arrive by mid-January.
Intending.
It-
That's
the-
Nvidia saying,
that's
"Hey, it
a-
might be here at this time."
they could come tomorrow for all I know, but it's not looking good for me to get it anytime soon.
Dime, you see that opening SPY order today?
360 something.
No, 3. I just seen it when I woke up. 379 for 1231
Yeah.
for 354K.
That bodes well for my underwater 380s, 384s.
So I just sold some of my 370s into strength.
ES looks so fucking strong. Bouncing off the trend line was so nice.
Dime, I found something that you're gonna love, dude. Here you go. Here you go, Dime. I just made your day.
I bet I'm not. I think I already saw this.
Oh, damn it.
Is this the one about calls?
No. This is a new one. She just made this one.
All right, I'm gonna mute you so I can listen.
There's a symmetric triangle, which might. What are we looking at here? Yeah, basically the same thing. Distribution triangle. Getting about getting a lot of sideways action, right? No direction just yet. You have to break
Heads up,
above
guys,
that
Neo's breaking out.
72 to 73 level, which is the same as the distribution. Then you would start to look more bullish. Getting a lot of rotation right now. It really likes that 70 level. Yeah, Neo is breaking out of a 4-hour falling wedge. I think that's the one that I accidentally.
Oh my god.
Yeah, 4-hour falling wedge break with a bull div. Very
She's
good pattern.
perfect. How do I meet her and how do I marry her? Her explanation on how call options work.
Oh, it's really good.
Actually really good. Yeah, no, it was solid.
She's not stupid. She's just cringy.
Yeah, no, that's exactly what I just said
Yeah.
in the chat. She's not an idiot, just cringe.
Yeah, she knows what she's talking about. She probably knows more than almost every TikTok investor guy there is. She's just
Bro,
cringe.
we're gonna go from $1,000 to $1,000,000 just with call options on Robinhood. I'm gonna show you bros how to do it next day. All right, bros, we lost all of our money, but that's okay. We're gonna just redeposit more and keep betting. We're
Did you
gonna get
see
to
the
$1 million.
one where the guy's like, "I'm gonna let you guys pick my stocks for me"?
Yeah, that's
Oh
exactly
shit, we're down like 60%. You guys suck. I'm just gonna put more money back in. We're gonna start over.
The thing is like with like the whole Robinhood thing. In the beginning, Robinhood had that big old glitch that like you could just keep borrowing, like they don't even
infinite
care.
money.
But now it's all changed. So like it's kind of harder now. Like now they'll take away money off of your bank account the same day practically. It used to take like 5 business days or 6 business days before it even takes away from your bank account. So like you had like a quick window to like profit that and like you know swing it out and make like a good amount without even having to pay for everything.
Yeah, but they had to close that loophole real quick.
Yeah, it was fun while it lasted.
You guys talking
I
about
know that
instant deposits?
Talking about the infinite margin glitch.
practically, yeah.
I did, I did one on instant deposits. It happened to me. It wasn't on purpose, but it happened to me when I was switching bank accounts, and I totally forgot that I had put it on my old account. Anyways, so they're like, "Oh, your deposit came back. You gotta sell everything." So I sold everything, and I was up by like 3 grand. And then they wouldn't let me withdraw it because they said that I had so many days to deposit whatever it was or whatever, or else they would reverse. And I was like, how are they gonna reverse this shit? It's been like a week already. So anyway, I just deposited like 7 grand into the account, but I was like, damn. I was like, is this what they were talking about? Where people used to just free ride it?
That happened to me the last time, and it fucked me over because I had to pay what I took out from like a margin, and like it ended up me being like a loss of like 4,000 because like it was options that they were open, but like since like I forgot, it was like one day like all my bills came up at the same time, and then like it was like oh we it was
Crypto, my definition of distribution is not that it's not bearish. Like when I say distribution, it's not always bearish. I look at anything that is after an impulse up, if it's a consolidation into a range, that's distribution. It doesn't have to be bearish or bullish. And then I look at anything on an impulse down as accumulation. I'm not using like the textbook terms.
And out.
yeah, like that's what you were supposed to do, and I didn't do it that way. I like sold all my calls and didn't, get more of a direct deposit. I just took the L because like I didn't know what the fuck was going on. It was like margin call and everything. I was so lost.
Lavender, Microsoft has no direction right now. It's just completely ranging. You have to break
Yeah.
217 to the upside, excuse me, to be bullish, or break 210 to the downside to be bearish.
Jimmy, I don't want to long tractors.
Yeah, look at the chart though.
I mean, it looks fine. It looks like almost a broadening wedge, but
You don't see the inverse head and shoulders
on what time frame?
daily
Oh, yeah, I guess I could see that.
with the gap above it.
Yep.
Are you guys talking about John Deere?
I'm already
Tractor supply.
I'm already balls deep, so I'm.
Oh well, look at Deere. Deere's up like fucking $10 today. It's doing pretty
Yeah,
good.
it's ripping, dude.
Yeah, JMA's friend owns John Deere now.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Yeah, remember the AR thing that I was talking about this morning? Yeah, it's ripping. That was like their latest news from like yesterday, and I guess it moved it up. I mean, I think it's a smart thing to do.
Biggest sleeper right now is NLS. This thing fucking actually plays out. It's gonna be disgusting.
Yeah.
Yo, John.
This is what sent ES an all-time high, same exact pattern.
It's what's sending Neo right now. 4-hour Neo. eBay is finally losing steam.
Fuck you. No, no, only goes up. Only goes up.
It's up 4.5%. I think it's one of the biggest days in the history of eBay.
I'm fairly certain that's not correct.
Dude, let's zoom out, dude. eBay is one of the slowest fucking movers on the stock market.
9th of October did fine.
Baba looks like a inverse head and
9th
shoulders.
of October is the only day that is more than 4%
Yep, so
since March.
Proved you wrong.
No, you didn't. I said one of the biggest days it's ever had.
Look at Baba. If this holds on Baba, it's gonna fucking move.
Pretty sure you said a second ago it's like the best day it's ever had.
I'm streaming, so we can go back and check if you like.
Double bottom with a bear div on Baba. I'm sorry, a bull div.
Send it.
Oh my god.
Alibaba.
Baba's coming into the anchored VWAP from the Corona nuke.
Take a look. Daily 200 EMA is the bottom to the tick. Big daily bull div coming in.
Oh wow, that's a huge drop off in selling momentum on Baba.
Dime, did you see the opening orders on STM?
Oh, I remember STM. I had a perfect measured move on it, then the election sell off happened.
Yeah, look, it's moving today with flow, and there's a huge gap above.
What the fuck happened here? Man, STM keeps breaking out, filling gaps, going back up. That's so annoying. Oh, I bet it dumped for the dividend. That makes sense.
What stock you talking about, Kev? Oh, Baba.
Kif. Kif.
JMA, we both missed the playoffs, man. You came in 5th.
Oh, we're out. We're done.
Yeah, you came in 5th. I came in 6th. We're fucking done. 10-0.
Wise having trouble at that 1 hour pivot, or ES is rather.
This is that trap zone that I was talking about. It's already trapped here twice. 85 to 90. It shouldn't trap here again. That'd be disgusting. But it could. Keith, I don't know if I said hi, man. What's going on? I was saying I wish you were in here earlier because I was gonna give you some shit about the royal prince coming to America, being pulled to America by his American bride, and now they're gonna be making Spotify podcast. Most American thing I've ever heard in my life. We took your country, and now we're taking your royal family, piece by piece.
Next thing you know, we're gonna take Queen Elizabeth.
Oh, don't say that in front of a Brit, man.
Yeah, don't say that. That's fucked up.
That's heresy.
Is she married?
You say that in front of the Brit, and they'll them's are fighting words for Brit.
Castrate you.
Yeah, she's married.
Okay, I straight you.
Is she? I don't remember Queen, like all the Queen Elizabeths. Do they ever have like a king?
They're all Queen Elizabeth. They're
Yeah, man, they live long, man. It's almost like the Rockefellers. They just don't. They're infinite.
Yeah, I saw that Keto. He had to pay back a bunch of money because he can't use the Crown's money anymore. You gotta make their own money, man. What better way to do it than podcast?
They don't want to have anything to do with the whole royal family stuff, like speaking engagements and meetings and traveling
I mean,
abroad. And
they have no competition, man. There's almost nobody doing podcasts now.
Next thing you know, they're gonna start trading Bitcoin.
Yeah, they're gonna become crypto influencers. Big money, man.
They're gonna be like the next how do you pronounce it? The Brogdon twins or whatever it's called.
This
yes,
doji, this doji on ES isn't looking good.
he sold. Come on, JMA. Pump it.
I even have Apple 120 written out on my stop loss sticky note. I fucking ignored it. And then the news. Where would you put stop on Neo shares? Let me take a look.
NQ just made a new high too. It's gone down a little bit, but it made a new high.
You'd have to put them below the wedge, so probably around like 39. 39 stop loss. 49 to 53 would be your targets. Dixie's getting ready to make a new low. A new monthly low, too.
It's crazy because like gold and silver is not moving. How?
Yeah. They're losing their correlation.
Yeah,
At
it's
some
not making
point,
sense.
they became decoupled. The last time Dixie was anywhere near this, silver was like at 27, 29. I think it's still like
Exact.
22.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like Target for a reversal play. Target's nice for a it's there's no confirmation just yet. It's just shifting momentum. It has to reverse before losing 167. It's a nasty daily on Tractor Supply. That was a nasty daily on Johnson & Johnson yesterday. Starting to reverse a little bit. I'd be careful on your short-term SPY stuff. Putting a little double top here. Micro pullback is turning into an evening star doji. This is what I was saying earlier about you guys who have like Friday expiration. You typically, if you're trading very close expirations, you always want to close when it's moving in your direction. Because when it moves against you on short-term contracts, you get murdered. Look at Baidu, dude. That thing is non-stop today. All over my scanner. On fire. Microsoft back above December's VWAP. Amazon is right on December's VWAP.
You ever looked at Microsoft's monthly chart and just been like, wow, I was a fucking idiot for not buying this?
Yep. Dude, like even
Like,
back in 2017, 2016, it wasn't even that expensive.
My mom worked at Microsoft from like 95 to 2016. So she and my dad have just been accumulating dividends for that entire ranging period from 2003 to 2015.
You bought the 2020 internet, or the 2000 internet bubble breakout. That was back in like 2016. You're up like 400%. Honeywell selling off a little bit. eBay getting ready to go again.
Microsoft really just needs to get above 226 and it's going to fucking run.
Yeah, it's just been got a monthly and a weekly consolidation. Been squeezing forever. The weekly's been squeezing since August.
Sam today up 0%. Fuck you. God.
What is?
Amazon 0.03%. It's gonna fucking run. It's just a matter of when.
Jose Sono's got news. That's why they're moving. Dude, Chewy has been non-stop since earnings. Look at Chewy go. It had a weekly breakout bar and it's been exploding. Even the daily.
Someone bought $1.3 million worth of VXX today.
Yeah, look at Chewy. Anybody in Chewy? Pretty nasty earnings play. Oh, did you guys see this an hour ago? Airlines would get $17 billion in U.S. government aid under a newly unveiled bipartisan pandemic relief package. That's probably why Boeing's doing well.
Kaleo posted that a little while ago. I saw that.
Boeing's actually not doing that good. It was doing good a little earlier, bouncing off the lows. Did you buy tan on the Biden news? Like when we were talking about the Biden portfolio?
Talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to Pluto.
I'm so pissed that I had tan earlier this year. Oh wow, it just broke the monthly OTS pivot.
Yeah, it's on fire.
What's 10?
Solar ETF.
Yep.
It was in our Biden portfolio. How is the Biden portfolio doing? Everything's green. Look at the gun stocks today, dude. Smith & Wesson, Ruger, VSTO, BGFV, they're flying. Look at marijuana stocks today. MJ, ACB, GRWG, all flying. Oil and gas are doing well. UDN inverse dollars flying. ICLN was another ETF for clean energy. That thing's on fire. Honeywell, RTX, Lockheed Martin. They've all done very, except for Lockheed Martin, they're kind of slow. RTX and Honeywell have done very well. Dan looks really good, man.
Yeah, it was Adam and Eve monthly. It was bound to keep going.
Yeah, I could give you a target, but it'd be really probably gonna be far away. Let me see. You just broke the fake out level, so your targets are now 100 and 103. That would be a longer term target, obviously, because of the daily time frame. Oh, sorry, Tally. I don't know if I ever saw that. I take a look at that. Pivots here. A 4-hour daily.
Okay, have anyone trade Baidu today?
No, I didn't.
So, look at it.
Red candle on
Vertical.
the Apple hourly. What a scam.
It's up 20 points today.
Kiff, I sold 10 months ago. I thought I was selling resistance like a
Crazy.
genius, and it didn't. I mean, I made money on it, so I'm not unhappy.
Eileen, really? You're in fucking Baidu? This shit's crazy.
Oh, Michael Burry's tweeting again.
Damn, everything on my portfolio was green. Now, DraftKings is not in my portfolio, actually. Tractor Supply and RTX went red. They ruined the aesthetic. Honeywell pulling back a little bit.
Apple, what is this red candle? Stop.
I hope it goes to 0.
I hope
Zero that
that
mofo.
it doesn't.
Hey, can I get targets on Peloton? I'm gonna exit my trade and roll it
I think
up.
it's like 137. Sorry, no, it's too
100%.
high. 131.
Okay.
Gotta post it to dime.
Target is 137.
131.
It's gonna go higher than that.
122 was the target for a while. You just smashed through that, so now 131 is the target. BBY, let me take a look. Best Buy. It just paid dividends. You're bouncing off the dividends. Kind of knife catching it here, though. It's been getting murdered. Massive 4-hour bull div, actually. Yeah, so here's the play. You'd be playing the 4-hour bull div, which is already almost at its target. The target would be 104. But if it holds this move, maybe pulls back a little bit, be looking for that pivot at 111. Stop loss would be below the bull div.
Damn, rest in peace, McCaffrey holders.
Yeah, his calls are nuking, huh?
What?
What?
Talking about a running back, bro. He came back to play like one fucking game too.
I jinxed you guys so hard when
Did
you
you guys
guys
see that
drafted.
game?
Because
Did you guys see
Connor.
that?
Sorry, good.
You guys see that game last night? Pretty crazy.
Bro, that was
I
insane.
couldn't tell you last time I watched a fucking football game. Excuse me.
That game was nuts, bro.
Connor,
I
when
thought
you
he was
guys
awful.
drafted McCaffrey on both leagues, first pick, I said if he gets injured, you guys are fucked. You actually made the playoffs and won them.
The game, man, it was like they were down by one, then they tied it, and then the dude who Lamar Jackson had come out for cramping, then he comes back in and freaking scores on his first freaking throw after coming back after being out during halftime and afterwards for the cramp. Then the Browns come back, and then finally they win it on a freaking field goal. The crazy thing is the spread was 3, and I had bet on the spread Cleveland. I was like, all right, at worst case scenario, I'm gonna get a push, get my money back. Then they did that stupid shit and they got a safety to end the game and fucked the whole spread up.
Yeah, dude, that shit destroyed betters, bro. Fucking rest in peace.
When they kept throwing
Hate
it
to
back,
see
I'm
it,
like,
man.
you're not gonna make it, just down. And then they kept going back. I was like, oh, these motherfuckers are gonna ruin this. I only had $20 in it, but I imagine people who had a lot of money in it were pretty pissed.
Dude, I have a buddy who bets like $500 on the Super Bowl coin flip.
Oh my god.
And he's like 1 for 4 on a 50-50 bet.
Yeah, I have buddies that they're like really, really good when it comes to like sports betting.
Dude, you need to get that guy into Tesla options.
That's
Dude,
perfect.
Connor, I should counter bet this guy. I don't know why I don't.
Would be so funny.
He's good odds. It's good odds though, bro. 50-50 is like the best.
I mean,
odds
like
you're
if
gonna
you and your
get.
buddy are sitting down, you both throw in $500 into the coin flip. One of you guys is gonna win.
Bro, I can't. I'm not that much of a degenerate, dude. I can't put $500 on a coin.
Yeah, but
flip,
either
bro.
you or your buddy's gonna win, so it's gonna be happy either way, you know.
I mean, it's the same thing if you're gonna go to the casino and play Russian roulette.
Russian
For
roulette.
Russian
Holy
roulette.
fuck!
I
What
mean, not Russian
casinos are you
roulette.
going to?
Regular roulette.
Yo,
He's
Florida.
he's going to
Florida's
those
fucking
shady
wild, bro.
one of those
Fucking
back alley.
Miami's something else, dude.
Fucking Florida.
He's going to those back alley Chinese casinos.
You bet your life and then you get $1 million if you win. But if you don't, you die.
Damn, that risk reward,
I mean,
bro.
would
I
you
don't know
guys
if it's
take
worth
that?
it, dude. Fuck no. Hell no. 1 million is like
That's
for your
nowadays.
life,
That's not
dude?
enough. Yeah.
Hey, 50
Ah.
Cent says get rich, die trying, you know? Fuck it, man.
I
Fuck it.
wouldn't do it
How
for
much?
a
How
million.
much money would it have to be for you to even attempt that? Like 100
Oh,
mil?
No,
Oh,
billion.
fuck ever.
I would do
Billion?
it for $1 billion.
Crazy shit.
I would do it for $1 billion for the simple reason that even if something happened to me, I could leave that to my family. That's the only reason I would do it for $1 billion.
What are we doing for?
I mean, I think
$1 billion?
10. I think
Russian
10 milli.
roulette.
I think if you had 10 mil, you could probably be generational if you did the right things with your money.
I would. I don't know. I think it'd have to be like 20 and up for me to even attempt it.
We're talking about Russian roulette, dime.
I don't think this is even legal
What's-
on my stream. To be honest.
What? You're streaming right now.
Oh, we forgot you're streaming.
Oh, buddy. Welcome to the stream, boys.
Russian roulette with a cap gun. No real bullets, no one
With a
dies.
fucking water gun.
Yeah, Nerf guns. Yep, we're talking about Russian roulette with Nerf guns.
That would be funny to do just to see how bad your fucking luck was.
Johnny, what's your
My
number?
luck is horrible. I'll be dead.
The problem is there's no way to do that on a Nerf gun because there's no blanks. It's either fires or it doesn't.
Yeah, a Nerf gun would kill you.
Is there? Okay, now I have to look it up. Is there a Nerf gun revolver?
They got Nerf guns.
There's gotta
Nowadays,
be.
there's
Hey,
everything.
there is a Nerf gun revolver. My daughter plays with one.
Yeah, like all of them
Something-
have revolving canister things, like for the
Yeah,
how they work.
but the hallmark of Russian roulette is you have to not be
You
able
have
to
to
see
die?
the bullet. Well, no, there's a 1 in 6 chance that you won't. But
You will.
that sorry, that you will. But you have to not be able to see the bullets in the chamber, and has to be able to be spun. Doesn't look like there's one. Oh, there we go.
There's a Nerf gun that has it's like a revolver. It's the
Yeah.
McCree one. They made a McCree one.
Oh, that's
No way.
nice.
Nerf has like every single gun in like Call of Duty.
Yeah, my daughter has a revolver Nerf gun. It's a big fat thing too.
Like
That one right there.
Nerf is the Smith and Wesson and like the what you call it, the Glock of kids.
Glock of
The
kids.
Glock of kids.
What the fuck?
Those are two things in a
I'm
sentence
telling you.
that I never thought I'd hear.
Yeah, that's the
Nowadays,
one.
I be seeing these little kids. They be running around like if they got little automatics and stuff like that. I'm like, what the fuck is going on?
That's the one that my daughter played with.
I think
when
that's
she
a
was
Florida thing.
younger.
Some of them have
Damn,
drums.
the
Oh,
Manta
look at
Ray,
that.
bro. I used to have that shit as a kid, bro.
Look at what Dime
Yeah,
just
me too.
posted. That shit right there hurts. It
Bro.
hurts.
Dude, you used to be able to block shit with that little shield. Little Genji
Yeah.
deflect.
Hey, Deja,
What's up?
Oh, yeah.
what would you recommend as a home defense pistol? Because I'm
38
going to the range
Club.
tomorrow, and I know he wants to buy my friend wants to buy a gun.
I mean, you
Get a
can't.
shotgun, bro.
Yeah, home
Get a
defense.
snub.
no, he doesn't want to go. He wants a pistol.
You
Snub.
can't. You can't go wrong with Glocks.
snub.
Just get a
That's what I
45.
told him. A Glock, or they have a used Sig P what
No,
P299 or whatever.
Nope.
I think that's
I have
9
a
millimeter.
friend that has gone off on me about this, and I was like, I really like the SIG
Get a
series.
Desert
I'm
Eagle,
like,
bro.
Sigs
50
are really
caliber,
good.
that's
So your
it.
friend, if your
Yeah,
friend
they're
is
good.
bashing Sigs, then it's not. That's
No. It's not a question of whether or not they're quality or not. It's a matter of the Glock not only has the greatest aftermarket attachments available. It's the easiest to fix. It's the most common pistol.
Yeah.
the
much
Glock
in
is
North
the
America.
standard. It's just the
It
gold
also,
standard.
It also has the most. It uses the most common form of ammunition. It's the easiest.
You can
to get.
throw.
Well, that has nothing to do. Ammunition has
Like
nothing to do with your gun
the
because
Sig that he's
you can
looking
buy.
at
You can use
getting.
the same ammo in every gun. Like
The-
every
the-
Like the Nerf
every 9
for
millimeter
adults.
doesn't matter if it's a Glock or a Sig or whatever. It's gonna use 9 millimeter ammo.
The Sig that he's looking at getting is the one that's like exactly comparable to the Glock 19, which like the only difference in like specs is that the Glock is lighter than the Sig.
You choose
It's
the
like
Glock.
the Nerf. It's like the Nerf for adults.
Home defense, you usually want shotguns, but
No, that's what I told him. He doesn't
yeah.
want to get. He already has a shotgun, but he doesn't want to get another one.
no,
He
just
wants
tell him to get a
pistol.
Glock, like a Glock 45 or a Glock 9 should be fine.
That's what I told him to get the 45.
Yeah, 45 is
he
a little
doesn't know-
stronger.
If he doesn't know how to shoot, tell him to just get a 9.
Yeah, the 9s are
Yeah,
standard.
he knows how to shoot.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I mean a 45 I would suggest as well.
That's what
Just
I
like
that's exactly what I told him. The Glock 45 is going to be
Yeah.
his like most reliable, easy.
He wants a
use.
really nice gun if he can find it. Get a Glock 30S. It's a 45 caliber Glock and a 9 millimeter frame. Very hard to
Yeah.
find though.
Wow.
Fucking
So
love that gun.
it's smaller.
It's the
than
same size of a
regular
9 millimeter Glock basically, but
Yeah.
it shoots a 45 caliber.
What's that called?
Glock 30S. They're
Glock
pretty hard to
30S.
find.
You get like a lone wolf barrel with that. That bro, the recoil is nothing in the 45.
And then he's
the
also
Glock 30S.
Yeah,
he's
30S
also
is
looking
nice.
at getting a 357. So I'm gonna let him shoot mine tomorrow to see how he likes it. Cause he's
Like a
never shot
Magnum or a
357.
Glock?
A Magnum.
Oh yeah. The 357 Glocks are okay, but they're if you get one of the
Yeah,
smaller ones, they
expensive.
kill your the recoil is just it's pretty strong in a little gun like that.
Yeah. Yeah, and I'm gonna bring mine. I have the Smith and Wesson, so I'm gonna bring mine and have him shoot it and see how he likes
Yeah,
it.
I'm not a fan of 357. I like 9 mil or 45s.
I like snubs. The snub revolvers on what number?
I haven't shot any of those.
Dude, they're fucking the recoil on that, man. My
Dude, I'm
buddy
about
has
to
like an
buy.
old Chicago police issued one with wooden fucking old like worn down wooden grips, and
I
every time
showed
you shoot
you.
the gun, you have to regrip it.
I showed you. I showed you that that revolver I'm trying to get. Right. The thing's dirty.
Yeah,
Damn, Connor. That's like a cartel
that's the
gun
one
right
I
there,
have,
bro.
except I don't have that one with that barrel on it.
Oh, that thing's beautiful, dude.
That's fucking
That's
awesome.
Jesse
I've
James.
always wanted a 1911.
That's what I have
I
a
don't
SIG
like the
1911.
grip safeties on 1911s.
I like if you engrave it, like you see how he has it.
Yeah,
Like, you can make a
The fucking
1911s look
gangster.
so sexy.
get the fucking cold.
They're
That's
just
like a
not. They're
$60,000
not.
gun.
They're not practical, dude. They fucking have small clips.
Dude, they jam all the time, dude.
Not practical.
Yeah,
It's a
because
Shogun.
yeah, it's the original. It's like the original mechanics of a gun and stuff like that. That's why it's so damn expensive.
They just look badass.
They do look nice. I like the silver slide. If you're getting a Colt, you need a silver slide, I think. What about Penn? Possible continuation? Where's my chart on Penn? Yeah, Penn looks like it wants to go to 89, to be honest.
Holy fuck! Last 5 minutes we're ripping, boys.
Yeah,
But no, I think you can't go wrong with any of the 9mm Glocks or any of the 45 Glocks.
Wow, look at Apple, dude.
You guys should look at my measured move on Apple, and you
Fuck
won't need to
Apple.
close your
Take that
calls.
measured move and shove it up your ass.
Hey,
That's-
it fucking works. So why don't you fucking?
I don't want
suck
to look
a
at
dick?
Apple ever again, dude.
That's the 1911 I have.
PLTR doing things.
Yeah, this shit's fire.
Blockchains, I was just talking about the baby eagles in Discord the other day. I like those things. They're nice.
Wow, look at Facebook, dude.
The Jerichos. Jerichos aren't bad.
I fucking closed this shit near the bottom.
I have a SIG P320 and I also have a FN9C.
Baidu hit that target.
Yeah,
Dude, it's
Baidu's
gonna
on
like the
run
fire.
229?
190
It's
tomorrow.
clearing the
Deja?
fucking target.
What'd you say, Connor?
195.
Do you like the P229?
I don't have one. I've never
SIG?
shot one of those. I have the P320, which is like the same exact gun, I think. It's just the newer version.
Got it.
The
Yeah, they got one at
229.
the gun range for like $400 a used one.
Let me look it up. I'm pretty sure the 229 is like the
It's
same
the
exact
closest
gun.
thing to a Glock 9, I think. I
Yeah.
could be wrong. It's been a while since I shot it.
Yeah,
It is, Connor. I looked them up.
P229 is a 9.
Oh, that's a different one than mine, yeah. I have the P320. It's the standard issue Army now. Thing is beautiful, dude.
I like the Beretta M9.
Those are nice. Those are standard, yeah.
Sexy.
Yeah,
Brett.
those are standard.
Yeah, they're dirty, dude.
They
I
have
love how they
hammers, though. Not a fan of the hammer pistols. But yeah, look at the SIG P320. You will never feel a pistol that has a smoother mag release, like magwell, or a
P
fucking
what?
slide. A P320.
Just get the SR25, man. You'll be good to go.
That's a rifle, isn't it? That's like a fucking AR rifle. Those things
Yeah,
are
that's
sweet,
what
though.
I-
Those are sweet.
That's what I used to shoot, a SR25.
Yeah, those are nice, dude.
Don't jinx it, Kiff. Please don't jinx it.
The M110s, dude, those things are fucking sweet.
Yeah, PLTR
Oh
doing
man,
the
I'm
thing.
hoping I see one of those nice trades on Facebook like I had last time, my biggest trade. I'm
Dude,
hoping.
eBay is still running. Yeah, Facebook, dude, if it holds this level tomorrow, it's gonna fly. Because
M110s are nice.
you just nuked this level and then you reclaimed it.
Mark 12s are too. Have you ever seen the Mark 12s?
Oh, let me look at it.
Don't jinx it, Kiff. Please. I'm begging you. Begging you, man.
Isn't
I
that
really want to see if
that's
it was above
almost
2667.
it's almost the same as a M110. Oh, that's more of like a M16 style.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other one's more for precision. Yeah.
Mara's up 20%. Holy fuck.
I like
That
the
pullback
the
was
H and K the HK what is it 416 I think it is, the longer one.
Holy fuck, Bitcoin's at 9.5. That's why Riot's running.
Oh, so Riot is a stock that deals with crypto?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah, Riot
Bitcoin
blockchain.
mining.
it moves with Bitcoin.
Oh shit. Well, yeah. So that
Bitcoin
and
mining.
Mara is moving. They both have to deal with cryptocurrency as well.
Yeah, the HK 416, that thing's pretty sweet. The HKs are fucking expensive though.
Yeah, they're super
Expensive.
You're
expensive.
paying for the name.
That's the Mark 12.
Yeah,
Are those are German made, right?
I believe so. Yeah.
Are you guys spotting anything for tomorrow or next week's?
Apple.
You're re-getting into that?
Yeah, practically big tech.
Yeah, I'm not touching Apple. The trade's already done on Apple for the most part. You could get into the 130s or 132
Probably play a gap, right?
autos.
So there's a stimulus meeting after market close.
Oh, no way.
Someone tweeted.
Blink is up 8%, but my contract.
The trade on Apple was to take the 130 or 132 lottos as soon as 125 was broken. So you're getting in pretty late.
Already afternoon there, so they should be underway.
Bell's about to ring.
No, I just woke up.
Dude, eBay. Astro, when are you playing Valorant?
I'm down to play right now.
All right, nice.
Facebook high today.
Why is eBay ripping so hard? I mean, I'm not unhappy about it, but
MQ making a high too.
Hey, Dime, I held through, was it 3 or 4 margin calls,
Wow.
and now I'm green.
Yeah.
NLS, dude, that trade, this is starting to move.
Freaking Apple's almost at 128.
Dude, what are those contracts at? Do I even want to know?
What, NLS?
No,
Minor.
fucking Apple. They're at 250. I sold them for 115 yesterday.
Minor at $5, and I sold them for 80 cents.
I have-
yesterday.
Yeah, that's
There's the
what
bell,
ripped them.
boys.
Dej, I
80
have no idea
cents?
why you didn't
Oh,
buy the
wow.
140 calls with me.
I had 135s in January, dude.
I
I played
bought the
Apple like a
April.
fucking fiddle, dude. I made one mistake. I got out of Apple and had news the same day. That's the only mistake I ever made. I fucking played Apple. I literally have had this chart drawn out for a month now. I played every single bottom and top perfectly on Apple. The only mistake I made was I fucking closed my contracts yesterday before the news.
You got the phone call.
So I'm not taking any shit in this Discord from Apple because we played like 3 or 4 lottos from fucking bottom to top to the tick.
All it took was that position being closed. The phone call was sent, answered.
Look at what Dime posted. I guess they're gonna try to get one through soon.
Like, where's
Finalize
Wu
it
Tang
stuff.
at? Wu Tang can confirm this chart has not changed, except for that one line that I added at 123.
Yeah, except Apple's going to 210, and you sold a small little pump.
Apple's going to blow out their earnings.
I think SPY is going to 400 by end of year. I think all of your analysis is invalidated.
But it's going to 400 by end of year. I'd say we should bet on it, but we already did.
I'll bet you 100 on that time.
What are you guys betting?
I'm going to lose way more if it doesn't happen. I've already made the bet.
I'm pretty sure I have the sickest bet in here for SPY 400. So
Said he was going to eat his own dick.
Oh, no, you're doing the McAfee?
Oh, yeah, Deja, did you see it's 16 days until McAfee has to eat his dick?
He's in jail, though, isn't he?
He's in prison,
Well, he's
bro.
gonna
He
eat
ain't-
someone else.
He's
is gonna
already
eat his
eating
dick.
dick. I hate to see it, man.
Yes, LT, I need that. I need that
The
bulldog
dick
on
in it.
Microsoft to pay out.
All right,
Yeah,
I think
you guys-
I think talking about eating dick is a great way to end the stream. I appreciate you guys being here. I'll be streaming again tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Eastern. You guys have a good one, man. I'll be posting some analysis in Discord later today. Be on the lookout for that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys have a good night. Peace out.